8 eggs right here. I'm gonna add some milk to it. Then we're gonna add our vegetables. We're gonna go with some garlic. I have about 4 cloves right here. Stir that in. Got some onions, about 1/4 onions. Stir that in. All right, now when it comes to vegetable, it's really up to you what you want to use. I'm gonna use red bell peppers because I know it's gonna pop with the yellow egg, and green peppers. All right. Stir up. Now, look how colorful that is so far. I don't know if you can see it. Alright. So for protein, I'm going to use Canadian bacon, or some people like to call it, the Canadians like to call it Canadian ham. Okay, so you're just going to put it, I think I have about 6 or 8 slices. Oh, let me warm up the oil. So with this oil, you wanna fill it up maybe like 1/2 inch above the bottom, the base. I like to cook on the wok because I don't have a splash guard. And when you cook a wok, it doesn't splash over. On this one, you kind of cook it at a low temperature when it comes to oil. And basically you're just gonna mix it up just like that. Should be colorful. There's many variations. I've made this with shrimp before. Now if you're gonna use shrimp, just make sure it's cooked first before you mix everything in there. I've made it with imitation crab meat. Let's give yourself some. You can just pour it dead center on your wok or your pan, okay? And you let it spread out on its own. After a while, you get a good rhythm. So that's how it looks like. Okay, you're basically deep frying it. Okay, and then what you do is you wait till that egg gets solid, and then you will flip it over. But when you flip it over, it doesn't take very long, so you gotta be careful. Now it's up to you if you want to put salt and pepper on it. I don't tend to, just because there's enough flavor going on in there. Should be good. Then you want to flip it over. Just for about maybe 30 to a minute maybe. Doesn't take much.